Melvin na round 3. Si Kanoy lamang kanina 8-3 pero natalo dahil sa injury daw, sabi ng committee. Wait. Melvin na lang player natin. Okay.
Possession. Melvin. Amazing performance early on in round of 16. Now scoring his opponent 12-0. Calaguas missing a that. Melvin. Oh, long two. This. Now a chance for Calaguas to score. Still no good. Calaguas forcing the issue inside. No good. Benson board once again. And that is unlimited passes from the buffet table for Calaguas. And now, here comes Melvin. Still no good. Finally,
1-0 Melvin.
breaks the eyes. 1 point for Melvin. He has the lead. A 2-pointer. It's good. Calaguas third. Still couldn't take that shot as possession will go to Melvin Katipunan. Melvin. No. 6:33 remaining. Calaguas using his height to his advantage.
Bakit?
Ties the game at one apiece.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Ano naman. All one tayo, all one.
Look at Calaguas. 8 seconds. Oh! Missed that opportunity. So Melvin will have another crack at the basket.
Agok na, kalaban. Ako na, pumasok.
5:57. Along two. It has been a low-scoring game for both teams.
Pagod na, pagod na.
Melvin tries his luck. He was hot in the quarterfinals, but all of a sudden, his guns fell silent in this quarterfinal matchup. Fortunately for him, Calaguas also couldn't feel his way. No offensive and turnover there. Calaguas with another possession. 5:15 remaining.
Pagod na.
Calaguas, fourth shot. Turns it over.
Pagod na. 3 minutes. All one yung score. 3 minutes yung video pala. 5 minutes pa sa game. Pasok mo. Nice.
And a 2-point shot gives Melvin a 2-point lead. Melvin, like what I said, was hot back in the round of 16.
And expending a lot of energy. You gotta love the sportsmanship also, though. We appreciate the effort from both sides.
Session will go to Calaguas. Calaguas trying to shoot from the 2-point zone.
Calaguas also has an advantage here because he has a higher release on his 3-point shot.
Yes, he hard to prevent that. 4:12 remaining, low scoring one.
But still put it on the time as we see 4 minutes to go.
Ayun na.
11 seconds. Oh, what a skate back! Ooh, this is good. Melvin, hits on 2 points.
6-1 tayo, 6-1.
Timeout is low.
Our game resumes.
Grabe ang utak ni Melvin, no? Hindi nagsasayang ng lakas. Babox out na lang, di nakabulin yung bola.
So Katipunan has the possession. 2-pointer again! Just like the round of 16.
Rep!
Katipunan
Sir, baliktad, sir!
one more two-pointer will end this game. Katipunan.
Uy! Baliktad yung score. Manalo Katipunan. Bay, dalawa na lang, bay. Nice game.